When it comes to video, we were able to put up with a lot. We're able to put up with terrible light, shaky video works. But the one thing we're not able to put up with is terrible audio. If you want to shoot great videos with amazing sound directly from your phone, well, I have a solution for you. Hey, welcome to another Talking Tech with a Techie guy. My name is Liron Segev, where I make technology simple. If you're into phones, gadget, tips and tricks and how-tos, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So we're here at CES 2019, and in fact, instead of talking about it, let's head out there. So at a show like this, where there's noise coming from absolutely everywhere, there's no way you're going to be able to hear me clearly. You're always going to get that background sound. You're going to be able to hear everything that's going on. And I'm in quite, look, it's quite a quiet little corridor. Now let's head into the main side, and then this thing becomes just ridiculous. Right, so as I'm walking through, I'm going to keep on talking. You're not going to be able to hear anything that I'm saying right now. All right, so this is why this solution makes such a big difference.
Hey, it's Laura from Shure. We're at CES 2019, and I wanted to tell you about a new exciting product that we have. You might be familiar with this little guy, our MB88, which is for iOS right now, but now we've got our MB88 Plus, which lets you work with iOS and approved Android devices, as we're saying, because it comes with a full kit. So it's giving you a whole audio solution. Right now, I've got it set up on my Samsung S9 Plus, which I just got for Christmas, and I'm excited about that too. So I've got my USB-C connector running directly from the mic, and we've also added audio monitoring, so you can check your sounds, and as well as our audio app, if you're familiar with that Motive audio app. We've added some cool functionality, but kept all of your faves, so you can change that polar pattern and pickup pattern, stereo width, but we've added some different levels of compression, and also given you just a little bit more control. So we're going to show you what it sounds like with this audio compared to the audio you're hearing right now. This is the video app, our Motive Plus video app, and you can do a lot of fun things right within the video settings, like adjusting my exposure level, working with my gain, and my monitor mix, which is new for this application. So you can switch it between all mic or all playback. You can also adjust your frames per second and video resolution, as well as your audio resolution and file type, which was in the existing video app. And then if you tap the microphone, you can adjust your polar pattern here. So right now we've got it wide open, capture that. It remembers the settings on the microphone, so if you pop it off, unplug it, what have you, it's gonna remember that same setting. Or you can just go into preset mode and not have to think about what you want your polar pattern to be, just go with the application. So now we're at CES, and we want to capture the sounds of CES for all of our friends at home. So I'm going to change the polar pattern to stereo and open it wide, and then back out of here, and we'll listen first. So now when we're talking, you can hear us and all the sounds of CES.
But you're still going to be able to pick us up beautifully?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you feel like you're here with us right now? Do you? Do you?
Well, if you haven't walked a couple of miles, it doesn't count.
It doesn't count.
Not even close.
Okay. So now when we're talking, you can hear us and all the sounds of CES.
But you're still going to be able to pick us up beautifully?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you feel like you're here with us right now? Do you? Do you?
Well, if you haven't walked a couple of miles, it doesn't count.
It doesn't count.
Not even close.
Okay, now we're going to change it up to selfie mode, right? Is that what we're going to do?
Yeah, right, that's it.
Okay, watch this. It's so easy. Okay, so this was what we were doing to film the ambient noise of CES. I'm going to tighten it up to 60 degrees, back out of it, go to my video app, switch it up to selfie mode, because this is what we need to see. And now let's record this. So now it's a lot more directional. We can actually hear what I'm saying, which is all we wanted to hear. And now let's record this. So now it's a lot more directional. We can actually hear what I'm saying, which is all we wanted to hear. Right.
So now we can actually have like a selfie mode, actually have a chat, and
Have a
actually
chat.
hear. But you're still going to get the background noise.
A little bit.
But the important thing is our audio is going to be sounding nice and beautiful.
Yes.
So when you're going to do those streaming, walking, IRL things, it's the way to do it.
This is it.
Okay.
Okay.
Like it.
Love it.
What else can we do? What else? Come on.
What else? What else? Okay. Okay, so now we're going to switch it back over here. We're going to go into my audio mode. I'm going to flip this guy. Bloop.
No.
Ta-da! Okay. And then let's change some polar patterns. We're going to open it back up again. this is our open
So
sound.
now we can chat.
Yep.
Okay, it's going to have a little bit in the background, but the main is going the other direction.
Well, they probably, yeah, they can't really hear us at all right now.
Well, we'll find out.
Yeah. Okay, so then we're going to switch it up again, because you can do that. There's 4 different pickup patterns. So now this is mono cardioid mode. Okay, so think of this as like a dynamic microphone that you would use live, a little more directional, really good for when you're doing this application. Now they should really hear us. So it's that little heart-shaped pattern that picks up around here, so it's rejecting anything coming in from the back. Okay. So it's that little heart-shaped pattern that picks up around here, so it's rejecting anything coming in from the back. So they're not hearing as much of the show, and they're hearing more of us.
Right. Would this be good for an interview?
Yes.
Okay.
But even better for an interview is this next one. Mono bidirectional, which turns off the front microphone and opens up the side. This is really great for interviews. So I'm going to take this guy off. It turns off the front microphone, i.e. this guy here. And now I'm talking and then you talk.
1, 2, 3, we're talking. That's a great interview.
Lovely.
Oh, lovely.
That's so entertaining. Okay. And now I'm talking and then you talk.
1, 2, 3, we're talking. That's a great interview.
Lovely.
Oh, lovely.
That's so entertaining. Okay, so that's mono bidirectional mode. Switch it back one more time.
And look how quick that is.
So quick. Seamless.
So what is this? What is this good for?
This opens everything up. This is great for atmospheric. Not really great for interview mode because it's every surface of the microphone is capturing all the things. Okay. So that's us and the atmosphere and
a click.
And a click. So that's us and the atmosphere
and a click.
And a click.
Okay, so it's going to be absolutely everything.
Yeah.
And all this at the touch of a button.
That's all it takes. So we call it the MB88 Plus kit, and you might wonder what comes in that kit, and it's a lot of fun stuff, so let's talk about it. You obviously get the microphone, and you get this nice windscreen, or pop filter, whatever you'd like to call it. We also give you a USB to Lightning, micro USB to Lightning, and a micro USB to USB-C, which is great for all those Android users out there on approved devices. It also comes with this shoe mount mic clip and a phone clip that attaches to a Manfrotto Pixie tripod stand. And it comes in this cool little sleeve to put it all together so that you can keep it all together, throw it in your bag, and you're ready to rock. So who's it for? It's for your vloggers, your podcasters, anyone who's serious about taking your audio to the next level, because y'all know you use your devices, they're great for video, and the audio, not so much. Now level it up a notch and use the Shure MB88 Plus. So how cool is that? That little bundle in that little roll-up case will just change the way you do video forever. Whether you're doing interviews, whether you want to do concerts, whether you do music, whether you want to just get the surround sound, or whether you want to do podcasting, this is a solution for you. Link will be in the description below. Definitely go check that out. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Hit the little head and hit that subscribe button. Check out some of these other cool videos as well. And I'll see you guys on the next episode, because that's Tech Simple. Cheers for now.